Shiva, 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 Shiva.
Hi friends, this is NJ, your host on this channel. So today we'll discuss one more occupation, which is of actors. So all those people who are already established in Bollywood or Hollywood or any kind of film business, what are the signs, commonly found signs in their hand? So to begin with, the first thing which we always look at while doing analysis is the overall shape of the hand. So if you'll find the palm to be long along with long fingers, so that remains to be very good sign that this person is very artistic. That's one criteria, because long fingers tell about grace and artistic ability in someone's nature. Then comes the another part, which is the shape of the fingertip. Like the way I always say, finger represents the release of the energy, but in what form this energy will get released. You are a leader, but whether you are an autocratic leader or whether you are a leader of the masses, so all these things get determined by the shape of the fingertips. And in the case of actors, so what kind of role an actor would take. So whether this actor would prefer a sentimental image, romantic image, or he would prefer a very raw, robust and very masculine or very action oriented image, all that gets determined by the tip of the fingers. So we can just associate that square fingertip person would prefer something like this. So if you'll find the tip of the fingers to be square, so this person would prefer some robust and some intense kind of role, and someone who would have conic kind of fingertip, those actors would prefer very sentimental, very emotional kind of roles. So that remains to be one more criteria. Third thing is the fingerprint pattern. So in case if you'll find, counting both the hands, if you'll find in majority of the fingers this kind of print pattern, which is known as loop. So loop fingerprint pattern just tells about all those people who have grace in their nature, who are very friendly, who are like very adaptable. So all these qualities are required to carve a niche in a very competitive industry like that of film industry. So that remains to be one more sign. And even loop can be categorized in two categories, in two different forms. One would remain to be ulnar loop and second is radial loop. So the kind of loop which I am talking about is the ulnar loop. So this kind of loop formation is formed when the this print pattern is open from the percussion side and it is pointing the it is pointing, the tip of this print pattern is pointing towards the thumb. So that remains to be one more sign. Then comes another thing, which is the length of the phalanges. So this is how we do analysis. We first look at the shape of the hand, then we look at the fingers, then we look at the tips, then we look at the fingerprint patterns, then we come to the phalanges. So first phalange represents our mental qualities, second phalange represents our practical or the rajas qualities, and the third phalange represents our physical or the tamas qualities. So what I have found in what I have found true in my research is all those people with longer second phalange remains to be very good in all the business related affairs, as well as where the too much of networking is required, and getting the fame or getting the confidence of people is required. They do very good in that. So when I talk about the longer second phalange, I mean the standard length of the phalanges would remain to be the first phalanges. If you'll find it of the complete length of the finger, the first phalange of 20% of the length, then this would be considered as a standard phalange. If the second phalange is 35% and the third phalange is 45% of the length of the complete finger, then we can say that these phalanges are of standard length. Any variation would just make them longer or shorter. So if you'll find the second phalange to be longer, this also remain to be one more sign. So we have discussed all of that. Now comes the part of reaching the lines. So in all those people who are in a business of film industry or who are an established actor, you will find the major lines to be like very nicely and deeply and finely carved. You won't find any kind of affliction in the form of too many grills, too many islands on them. So another criteria is that lines would be finely and deeply carved. That's one sign. Second is, now coming to the heart line. So the sign which I have found in the hands of the majority of the big actors. So like when I say big, I'm talking about like you take the case of Tom Cruise or so many established big names. So you will find, so this is our heart line. So in those cases you will find the heart line ending on the mount of the Jupiter in the form of a trident. So the main line is getting diverted in two more branches. So this is the ideal case of world fame. So heart line ending on the mount of the Jupiter in a form of a trident. That also remains to be one more sign. Then comes the headline. So in those cases, see, I am talking about the archetype successful actors. So you will find the headline to be starting above from this main. So you will not find, majority of the cases you will not find the headline joined to the lifeline. You will rather find it start beginning from the mount of the Jupiter, little bit above from its standard length. So something like this, and little bit curving on towards the mount of the moon. Mount of the moon, which represents your imagination, your artistic ability, your intuitiveness. So that also remains to be one more sign. Along with that, what is most important is that the mounts need to be very well developed and very prominent in shape, because the shape of the mounts, the condition of the mount tells about the balanced energy. Because like the way when I made a video separately on different mounts, I clearly specified that mounts are the most important. Mounts only infuses the energy in the whole hand. So we can also treat and see mounts as the powerhouse which supplies energy to the whole hand. So all the mounts, if are in a prominent shape, the hand is pink in color, and skin of the hand is also very soft, so that would also accentuate those qualities. So that is also one more sign. Along with that, this is our mount of moon which I just explained. So you will find in those hands little bit bulge, something like this. This also tells about artistic abilities, that this person has got a prominent moon and has got the ability to visualize and imagine and even get deep into his roles. So that also remains to be one more sign. As we are talking about the lines and mounts, so if any point of time you will find 4 or 3 to 4 ascending lines on the palm, so that would also indicate great success. So because in majority of the times what happens is you will find these 3 lines, but the formation of lines like sun line, line of fate, and this health line is not something which you will find in the hands of majority of the people. So in case if you will find more than 3-4 vertical lines on the hand, on the palm, so that would also indicate success and fame. So let's take all these 3 vertical lines one by one. So this is our fate line, which tells about our sense of purpose, our determination, our support which we'll get from other people. So at any point of time you'll find this fate line beginning from the mount of the moon. So that is also a very good sign, because this mount of Venus tells about our family, our close relationship. This is the sign of other people. So any point of time you'll find this fate line beginning from the mount of the moon. This tells that these people enjoy the support of the people. These people forge ahead in their life with the support of the other people, and they also enjoy very good popularity. So when I say a fate line, you would find something beginning like this, something like this. So this is an ideal case of someone who is people's favorite. That's about the fate line. Then comes the most important line, which is our sun line. Sun line tells about our the fame, recognition, our satisfaction, perfectionist attitude in life. So any point of time you will find the presence of a deeply carved sun line. So that is also one more positive sign that yes, this person has got the ability to attain fame in his life. So presence of sun line is considered as a very good sign. So we have also discussed that. Now comes the part of discussing some special signs. So the most important sign which you need to look at when it comes to the business of acting, the business of stardom, is the sign of star. So this is our sign of star. So any point of time you will find this star on the mount of Jupiter. That is considered as very fortunate. Then you find this star on the mount of the sun. that is also considered as someone who has got very huge popularity and has got the potential to have a mass following. So another sign is if you'll find this star on the sun line itself, that is also very good sign. And let's say, see, if you'll find the sign of star at the end or at the beginning of the star of the sun line, so the sign of star either at the beginning of the sun line or at the end of the sun line, so that would be considered as someone who will throughout his life enjoy fame. But if you'll find the sign of star in the middle of somewhere on the sun line, then this would indicate that you need to first age this line, and at that point of time where this star is getting formed, at this particular point of time this person will get huge success. So that is also one sign which you need to look at. And then comes the part of some special Hindu symbols which we Hindus and which are mentioned in our Samudrik Shastra, which not many palmist, western palmists recognize. So first sign would remain to be the sign of the flag. So this is our sign of flag. So any point of time you will find this kind of sign on the mount of Jupiter. That is considered as someone who has got the potential to get world fame. So that's one sign. Another sign is the sign of fish. This is considered as very good sign. So let's say any point of time you will find this sign of fish specifically pointing towards the fingers. So something like this will also indicate good success. Then comes the sign of triangle. If any point of time you will find that sign, if any point of time you will find this sign of triangle on the mount of the Venus, this will also indicate good success. Then comes another sign which is the sign of temple. So if any point of time you will find this sign of something like this, any point of time you will find this kind of symbol or sign of temple on the mount of Venus. So that this will also increase the possibility of someone getting fame, or someone who is already an established actor suddenly getting fame and being recognized and enjoying a mass popularity and mass following. So that is also considered as very important sign. Now comes the last, which is very important, which is the presence of the girdle of Venus. Many people just associate it with sexuality, drugs and too much of indulgence into alcohol, but you need to understand that this sign is formed on the Satwa region of the hand, and this sign doesn't tell about that. This sign also tells about sensitivity and artistic abilities. Unless and until the sign is not broken, this line is not fragmented, or the sign is not with the presence of the negative signs. So just a well formed girdle of Venus also tells about great artistic talents, someone who has got the potential of getting deep into the artistic realms and enjoy a very good following and popularity and get good success and stardom. So this is how we do analysis via palmistry. All the signs which I have explained have been found in majority of the hands of the established actors. So I hope you guys found this video informational. For further more updates and notifications on palmistry, please subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Thanks.